2022 Finke Desert Race.
Getting ready to go in the dark. Marla, South Australia. We should make Northern Territory today. Should be fairly easy. We were going to stop at Cooper Pedy and then we decided not to. So, Marla hosted my first night in many a long year on the ground just there in a swag, which was pretty cool. Saw the Milky Way and didn't sleep much at all, so see you on the road. So beside the road again, battery change, fuel up, mostly battery change to be honest. We've got that down to a fine art, as you can imagine. We've been doing it for 3 days now. So yeah, we're well and truly into the Northern Territory now. We're about 120k out of Alice. And yeah, camp setup day once we get there, I guess. So many years ago, there was a harebrained scheme by a bloke by the name of Allan Moffat, who just happens to be a motorsport legend. And as you can see, here on the Stewart Highway, they had the Cannonball Run. Allan did it once, because all these people died, unfortunately. That side is English. We're going to a motorsport event, and On this side is Japanese, which is the memorial for the people who died here. Still hard to believe all these years later that stretch of road like this